Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today. You know, I've been telling you in the past month or two that I was going to stop making videos on cash advance loans and payday loans. Again, we all know if you're already struggling out there with funds, you might have problem with managing your money. Getting cash advance and payday loans might not be the direction you want to go in. So I brought 3 other places you could go where you could get a better interest rate compared to a cash advance. So the first on the list is going to be NetCredit. If you know about NetCredit, you got 2 options. You have a personal loan that you could be able to get up to $10,000, or you could get a line of credit. Now, the personal loan, you can get up to $10,000. The line of credit, you can max out at $4,500. Now, the better thing about when it comes to line of credit is that long as you use the $4,500 and you repay it, the line of credit will always be there. Compared to a personal loan, if you get the personal loan approval up to $10,000, once that is over, you will have to do the whole application and the whole process again. So that's the difference, because a lot of times people ask me, what's the difference between a personal loan and a line of credit? And that's the difference. It's pretty simple. But again, the line of credit only goes up to $4,500, at least with the personal loan, you got up to that $10,000. Now, the qualification you need to do to get approved, you need to have a personal checking account and you need to have deposits. Hopefully you out there, you got a job, you're getting direct deposits. They could get in there and they can verify. And this won't hurt your credit. They will do a soft pull initially, so at least you got the options to make the final decision if you like to move forward. So number 2 on the list, I will have to say, is that Credit Fresh. Now, Credit Fresh is a straight up personal loan. But again, these 3 are better than a cash advance or a payday loan. You can get approved between $500 and $10,000. Again, long as you got a personal checking account and you're getting direct deposits, you can get approval. But once you accept your offer and move forward with Credit Fresh, it will be a hard pull. Now, you might be saying, what kind of score do I need? Even though your overall approval is not about the credit score, but they want you to have at least a 600 credit score coming in. So that's what Credit Fresh, pretty simple. Now, we're gonna move on to the last one. I will have to say, this is the kind of video everybody been asking me for. So if you're getting government assistance, if you're getting a Social Security check, you could go over to here. Again, this is big buck loans. And you can see if you qualified, if you got low income, they can get you approval. Again, these is 3 loans that I wanted to bring to you, which is a little better than a cash advance loan or a payday loan. Because you know, once you lock into those kind of loans, again, you could really put yourself in a hole. So let's say you go out there and get a cash advance loan for $1,500. With that interest rate, it could turn out to $2,500, $3,500, $4,500, and even $5,000. I mean, the APR rates are ridiculous when it comes to those cash advance and the payday loans. I understand I have did videos in the past 5 years, and honestly, I got a lot of views on it. A lot of people like it. I understand people are struggling. People might need some gas. People might need some milk, some Pampers for their baby. They need emergency. They need $50 for some gas. They get paid every 2 weeks. I understand that, people. But again, I told y'all I'm going to stay away from those kind of videos because I don't want to direct people into getting themselves in a bigger hole. So again, these are 3 options. All the descriptions will be at the bottom of the videos, so you could be able to go right down there and it'll take you to the website. Again, let's go through it real quick. If you're looking for one that's simple, the NetCredit, where you get that personal loan or that line of credit, or you could go to Credit Fresh, where they got up to the $10,000 personal loan. And again, anybody getting government assistance or Social Security, big buck loans will accept you long as they could get in that checking account and they can see that you have some kind of deposits. Again, people, I want to see everybody when you could go over to my website and get your free credit repair ebook today. Hit the link in the description and start working on that credit report. You know, remove those collection, remove those charge-offs and inquiries, and for all those in the check system, I have the letters and the methods to remove that as well. And if you building your business credit, you could go download your business credit book as well. We'll show you step by step, how to turn it up on the business side. I want to see everybody win. Get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.